If your robot vacuum sounds like a jet engine but still misses the crumbs, you're probably due for an upgrade. Let's meet the Mova P70 Pro Ultra and find out if it's worth your money. Meet the Mova P70 Pro Ultra, a budget flagship that's all about muscle and brains. With 30,000 PA suction, this thing could probably vacuum up your worries. It attacks deep carpets, pet hair, and the dreaded snack crumbs with ease. The dual spinning mops? They scrub with real pressure, 12 newtons, and spin at 260 RPM. Spilled juice, handled. Greasy footprints? Gone. It even washes itself with boiling hot 100-degree seawater and dries those mops with hot air, so your floors and your nose stay fresh. Navigation? It uses AI to dodge 280+ objects and builds a 3D map of your home, so no more robot vs sock battles. Plus, maxi-reach brushes and mops clean right up to your baseboards. Downsides? The app isn't as slick as a Dream or Roborock, and the anti-tangle brush is an extra. But for under $700, this is the set-it-and-forget-it robot for big homes and busy lives. Verdict: if you want raw power and true automation, the Mova P70 Pro Ultra is absolutely worth a